Hi, I'm Yi-Wen Chao, the Viola Professor of Taipei National University of the Arts. It is my great pleasure to be part of the Raffles Music Festival and Competition this year. I'm very happy to meet you here online. First of all, I would like to applaud for all the participants in this competition. You all have done such a great job that make this event a highlight of the year. And some of you are so young while being such mature musicians. That is very impressive. I feel very proud of you. Congratulations. For each of the violists, I wrote down some comments for you to think and explore in the future. Now I would like to share with you 3 of the points that I think are most helpful and most applicable to all of us. First, communicating. An online competition is a quite new idea due to the pandemic. Thanks to modern technology, we now can communicate with people from all over the world without difficulty. However, some of us might forget the idea that even within a pre-recorded performance, it is still crucial to communicate with your audience. It is not only for the sake of a good stage presentation, but it also influences your performance tremendously. Because music, like smile, is an international language. If you don't take the responsibility of guiding your audience on a music journey, then there's no such thing as message passing, and you lose the stage and your audience. In this case, there's no such thing as chemistry, charisma, or moments that serve the fascination of a live performance. Secondly, the freedom from music. Some of you play a concerto movement from music. I think it is a pity. We play from memory not because the competition rules say so, but because in this way we get a chance to enjoy the idea of a concerto. A concerto form is about contrast and competition. This is the genre of a somewhat exciting, competitive, and showy character that consumes a lot of energy. Therefore, to enjoy the fun of performing a concerto, it is better that we have the freedom from music. Finally, sound production. The viola is a very special instrument. It doesn't feature the brilliant high register or the speedy projection like the violin, nor the broadness or depth in the low register of a cello. But the viola does have something unique and charming because it has a tone that is close to human's voice. So how to effectively produce a nice viola tone has become a lifelong goal for us. Some of us might consider using weight is the most effective way in producing sound and volume. I suggest that we think in a different way because the instrument is our voice. So instead of pressing it and make the sound suffer, it is better that we encourage the viola to express and speak by itself, and we can help the structure to do the right thing. For instance, we need to know the bounce, weight, and speed of the different parts of the bow and how your viola interact with it at different spots on the strings. Only when these facts are well taken care of, the weight we apply to the instrument can be a good help. To sum up, the simple basics are the most important. When you know how to interact with your instrument and your audience, you could express yourself without difficulty. That's when you win the stage. We should keep working on communicating, freedom from the music, and good sound production. They will help you not only on your technique, but also on your musicianship. Thank you for watching, and I wish the very best for you. In the meantime, stay healthy and safe. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to hearing you again in the following years. Bye-bye.